Hola y bienvenidos to another lesson. Today you're going to learn the Spanish alphabet. The Spanish alphabet is composed of 27 letters. Let's begin. A. A makes a sound. Spanish example is amarillo. B. B makes a B sound. And Spanish example is bonito. C. C has three different cases. K sound before A, O, U, carro, costa, cuatro. S sound before E and I, centro, cierto. And Th sound before E and I, cebolla, gracias. Che. Che makes sh sound like in chocolate. D. D makes D sound. For example, día. E. E makes an E sound like in let. Example, elefante. F. F makes F sound. Example, falso. G has different cases. First case is sound G. G before A, O, U. Examples, gato, goma, gusano. The second example is H sound before E and I. Gente, gigante. H. This letter is completely silent in Spanish. Examples, hoy, hasta. E. E makes a sound like E in heat. Some examples, salida, información, idea. J. J makes a sound as a H sound. Jamón, jefa, jíbara, jornada, jueves. K. K makes a K sound and is rarely used in Spanish. One example is kilo. L. L makes a L sound. One example is libro. Doble L. This letter makes a sound as Y in Latin America and Y in Spain. Example, lluvia. M. M makes a M sound. Example, mucho. N. N makes a N sound. An example or two examples are no, Navidad. Ñ. Ñ makes an NY sound as in canyon, niño, niño. O. O makes an O sound like in Orlando. P. P makes a P sound. Examples, papá, problema. Q. Q makes a K sound. Some examples are cuando, cuando. R makes an R sound, and one example is rojo, rojo. Double R. Double R makes a longer R sound. Example, carro, correr. S makes an S sound. Examples, sábado, solo. T. T makes a sound as in T in English. Examples, trabajo. U. U makes an U sound as in food. Example, uña. V. V makes a V sound. Example, ventana. W. W is really used in Spanish. One example is water polo. X. X makes an X sound. Some examples are xilófono, texto. Y. Y makes a Y sound or an E sound. Examples are yate, Carlos y Pedro. Z makes a Z sound like in zoo. Examples zapato, zapato. Well, that was easy, right? So now that you know the sound of each letter in Spanish, it will be easier for you to read in Spanish. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.